Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Gcash and signing in. Make sure your number is verified. Once done, tap the My QR icon at the home screen to access your QR. If you haven't completed full verification, do it now to lift limits and enable some merchant features. Also confirm your linked funding source, bank or credit card, so payments can process. Finally, make sure your phone camera permission is enabled. Without it, you can't scan merchant QR codes. You now position the phone so the merchant QR fits the scanning frame. The app reads it instantly when aligned. Once Gcash decodes the QR, check the displayed merchant name and amount. This prevents sending money to the wrong recipient. If the merchant didn't enter an amount, type the exact value yourself and review it. Then choose your funding source, Gcash balance or linked bank, because that affects fees and limits. Finally, tap Pay and enter your MPIN. You should see a confirmation screen and receive an SMS or in-app receipt. Save or screenshot this immediately for records. If the payment fails, first make sure your internet is stable and your MPIN is correct, then verify your balance or linked bank status. If the merchant's QR won't scan, try cleaning the camera lens and increasing ambient light. If problems persist, note the transaction ID and contact Gcash support so they can reverse or trace the payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.